I've been wanting to knock up a small sideboard for a while now. I wanted something with doors, but I also wanted it to be a tad different. I'm a bit sick of seeing all the arts and crafts and usual shaker stuff. I wanted something a bit more retro. Now, to keep them clean lines and the simplicity, we had to build this thing well, as there's no face frame to help with racking. So to keep things stiff, the carcase had to be dovetailed. And as those doors are glass, the inside needed a good tart up. So the back had to be nice, not just some rough half-arsed afterthought. In a way, the back was almost one of the main features, so I went for some nice book-matched panels set in a frame. There's a fair old bit of work here, and you could certainly simplify it, but I find it really draws you in. I've made that hardwood go a long way as well with this job. The back is very thin, and the carcass is made of pine. Where I felt extra strength and more impact was needed, I did go back to oak. When working by hand, considering timber choice in this way is a pretty good approach. When you've got a lot of thicknessing and prepping to do, you'll have a huge change of pace between the softwood and hardwood. There's a lot to this job. We're tackling it all by hand with a bit of help from the bandsaw for our initial prep and those thicker cuts. Due to how much work is involved, we're also expanding a little beyond our very basic toolkit and making use of some of them more specialist blades, although they're not needed. We're also skipping slightly over the basics. It's a long build, so we're putting a main focus on the stuff that we ain't covered yet. Due to the simple lines of this piece, there's not much place to hide. We need to get those doors hung to perfection, and everything inside and out tarted up just so.